Hey guys, today I'm going to make a real simple macaroni salad. It's just the macaroni and 4 ingredients, and it doesn't involve any cutting or chopping. So let's get started. People ask about my channel name a lot. They want to know what it means. Well, the TOS part stands for thoracic outlet syndrome. It's kind of a rare condition. It affects the nerves and the circulation in my arms and hands. So they hurt a lot of the time. So that's why I keep my recipes so simple. You can see right now this one's kind of purple. It's been bothering me a lot. So the other night I was in the mood for a macaroni salad, and I didn't feel like cutting or chopping anything up because, you know, my arms were really hurting. And so this is just kind of a real simple, basic recipe I came up with. It's actually pretty good. So I started out, I just cooked a whole package. This is a 1-pound bag of elbow macaroni. And what I do is kind of just put that in the fridge, and then I can pull it out and make a batch. And if I don't want to make a huge batch of macaroni salad, I can actually use that for other stuff like putting pasta sauce on it if I want to. So the only thing I add to this is just some mayonnaise, and I just kind of eyeball this. I don't really measure it out, and then just add a little at a time, and then I'll mix it up and taste it and just keep adding until it gets about the way I want it. And then this is some sweet pickle relish, so I add some of that as well, and then some onion powder. So I add a pretty good amount of onion powder. I like onion powder. And then the last thing is this, it's called Flavour Mate. It's one of those salt-free kind of spice blends, and this has onion, celery seed, garlic, parsley, lemon. The lemon kind of gives it a little tanginess. So actually this gives it some pretty good flavor. So I'll just add that and start mixing it up, and like I said, I'll just taste it and add what else I think it needs, if I think it needs a little more, and when it looks good, I'll show you how it looks at the end. So here's what you end up with. It just looks like macaroni salad, nothing fancy. Of course, if you wanted to, you could cut up any kind of vegetables or pickles or onions or whatever you wanted to put in there. It's kind of tangy from the sweet pickle relish and the lemon that's in that seasoning, but it actually has pretty good flavor for being such a simple salad to put together. I'm going to give away another mug, so if you leave a comment on this video, I will run that through the YouTube random comment picker, and whoever name comes up, I'll send them a mug. So I'll do the drawing the day after tomorrow. So whoever's name comes up, I'll message you, tell you won. You can message me your address, tell me which design you like, and I'll get that out to you. Good luck. See you guys.